EU long, 5th of December, it's Monday. My time frames are 4 hour, 50 minute, 1 minute to keep it as systematic as possible. But the start of the week, I do like to go in the weekly and just see where we are. And you can see, just get the higher time frame perspective. As you can see, we are sweeps liquidity, cause a break of structure, very valid for me. We're at least going to get a reaction. And at the edge of the weekly is the daily, and there is a valid POI in there. So in the weekly we've got at least going to get a reaction. So I'm on the 4 hour looking for a valid zone. Sweeps liquidity, causes a break of structure. Valid POI for the session. So we're in a weekly zone, we're a daily at the edge where prices reacted from, and then we've got a valid 4 hour POI. If 15 minute shows are being respected by giving us intentions to the downside, I'm looking for a short for my trading session. Let's go into the 15 minute. I'll show you what I had marked up for the day, the session, this POI. Sweeps liquidity, got a market shift, and a break of structure. I had this marked up. Oh, sorry. I had this marked up because this is after this we broke structure, so this was valid for me. Sweeps liquidity, break structure, so I'm trading within this leg. And the way London opened, I didn't think I was going to get a sell, but my idea was we'd maybe get a short to the downside or react and get a 1 to 5 from here. So I did a let sit here, a let sit here. Now we're just waiting to see how price reacted in the POI. Nice rejection, we're at the edge, it's good to see. And live, this was an inside bar. Yeah. There we go. And it's not, when you see price coming down, reject and then start to do a bit sideways and you see an inside bar, it's quite nice. Yep, orders is getting put into the market to either push price back up, show some intentions, or at least get some kind of reaction before continuing. But then I would get my 1 to 5 in the process. So in the 50 minute I was happy to be seeing price look like this. I'll take it back. And I had a split screen for when I was trading this morning. A lot of the time I'll have a split screen. This is my last point of supply. I wanted to see it get respect, then broken through. Again, if price flies here and validates the trade, no longer looking for a long. So I was happy to see this. This gives me my market shift and my last point of supply. Sweeps. Liquidity. And I had 4 pips. As price was flying in here, there was no liquidity to take, so I wanted a 5 seconds confirmation entry. I got here, my 5 seconds, I was looking at price, then on my MT4 on my laptop would not allow me to execute the trade. I was absolutely gutted at the time. Fortunately or unfortunately, because you'll see in a second. 5 seconds, same thing you want to see in the 1M. A market shift. Last point of supply. Bullish intentions. So yeah, couldn't execute, it froze my MT4, which you'll probably experience if you trade. 1M. TP was hit. Also, 5 seconds. I don't know if my trade assist was 4 pips. I'd set 4 pips, so as price come in, high possibility I would have just executed. But a lot of the time, if the stop loss is massive on the 4 seconds, I'll bring it to free. And if I'd done that, I would have been taken out. That's why I said fortunately or unfortunately. But I don't know, because it froze, so. But another trade just to document and, yeah. But a lot of you've seen my trade recaps from November, a lot have been 4 pips, so there's a good chance I would have kept it to 4 pips as well. But yeah, everything was good. And let's see what price is doing just now actually. Just wait a minute. Yeah. So, as I said, there's a good chance we'll also come down because we're in a higher time frame sell zone. But I told you, you just collecting a 1 to 5, you can just take the reaction. All criteria has been met on time frames. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you on the next one.